Hi, I'm Joe Gitter, and today I'm going to teach you how to make easy peel hard-cooked eggs. Most hard-cooked egg recipes get it wrong right from the beginning. Starting eggs in cold water allows plenty of time for the membrane to attach itself to the egg, making clean peeling impossible. So the eggs may be cooked beautifully, but what's the point if you can't get the shell off? We start with 1 inch of boiling water in our pan. Putting the egg in this steamy environment will cause the egg white to rapidly denature and pull away from the membrane. This way, it won't stick when you peel it. We're also using a steamer basket, which means, you got it, we're steaming and not boiling. The steamer basket keeps the eggs out of the water. This way, the water maintains its boil the whole time and gives us a consistent and hot cooking environment. So, we put the lid on, turn the heat down to medium-low, and we cook for 13 minutes. So 13 minutes are up, and the eggs are ready for their nice cold bath in a food storage container. This might seem strange, but bear with me. We're going to drop the eggs in, let them hang out for 15 minutes. This will immediately halt the cooking process and cool them down. Now, let's pour out half the water, put the lid on, and then we're going to get physical. We're going to shake this thing 40 times. Yup, 40 times. Trust me, you're going to like it. Just see how easily these peels slip right off. What's more, they're cooked perfectly every time. Thanks for watching. Tell us what you thought of this how-to in the comments below. Be sure to check out the links in the video description, and please hit that subscribe button now.